Assalamualaikum class 6. I hope you all are doing great. So class, today is 15th of September 2021 and the day is Wednesday. Fine. So who will tell me what we have discussed yesterday? Last time हम लोगों ने क्या पढ़ा था? Yes, Zunain, you tell me. Very good. We have discussed fractions involving negative numbers. यही पढ़ा था. So let's take an example of it. I have first of all mixed fraction which is 5 1 by 5. Then there is a sign of minus here. Then the next fraction which is mixed 4 1 by 2. Okay? Class, if you look, we have two fractions. The first is 5 1 by 5 and the next fraction which is also mixed and we can read as 4 1 by 2. अगर आप देखो, so इस fraction में, in this fraction we have a whole number which is 5 and in this fraction we have a whole number which is 4. Okay? So ऐसे fractions जिसमें हमारे पास एक whole होता है और उसके साथ attach एक fraction होता है, हम उसको क्या कहते हैं? Mixed fraction. Now first of all in this step, who will tell me what would we do? हम क्या करेंगे? जी अबू बकर, यासिर, you tell me. Very good. We will open it. Now class, I am going to open first fraction which is, as I told you, we will simply multiply denominator with whole number. So after multiplying of denominator with whole number, we have 25. Okay? 5 times 25. And in the end we will add the number which is present in numerator. So we have here is 1. Now we will simply add 1 into it which is 26. So in numerator the number is 26. ठीक है? And in denominator we will write the number which is same or involved in fraction. ठीक है? जो हमारे पास फ्रैक्शन में इन्वॉल्व होता है डिनोमिनेटर, वो एज इट इज आता है और ये सारा जो प्रोसीजर है ये हम किसके लिए करते हैं? न्यूमरेटर के लिए. फाइन. नाउ 26 by 5 is the next fraction. After solving you can say 5 1 by 5. Fine class. Now we have a sign of minus. I will write there. Now the next fraction which is 4 1 by 2. I want to open this. So first of all I will multiply these fraction. I will multiply these two numbers which is 4 into 2. Who will tell me? Yes Hamad, you tell me 4 2 times. Very good. I will write 8 in rough area like this. Now I will add the number which is present in numerator. So here we have 1. So I will add 1 into 8. After adding the number, I have a number which is in total is 9. I will write here. Now I will write 2 here because it is involved in denominator. So denominator क्या होता है? Same रहता है. If you look class, we have a sign of minus or subtraction here. ठीक है? And we have two fractions. The first is 26 by 5 and the next is 9 by 2. Now who will tell me what would we do in the next step? हम क्या करेंगे? I told you many times when we have a sign of subtraction in between of two fractions. So what would we do in the next? G. Who will tell me? Yes, Vanya, you tell me. Very good. We will make denominator same. ठीक है, हम हमेशा जब भी साइन होता है सब्ट्रैक्शन का या एडिशन का इन बिटवीन ऑफ टू फ्रैक्शंस, so we will simply multiply or simply make denominator same. Fine. If you look class, we have first number in denominator here is 5 and the next number in denominator in this fraction is 2. So both numbers are different. It has nothing common in it class. ऐसे ये कुछ भी common नहीं है. So what would we do? Very good. We will simply multiply by 2 and here we will simply multiply by 5 to make denominator same. अब हमें यहाँ पे भी सेम चाहिए था, हमें यहाँ पे सेम चाहिए था, so मैंने इंटरचेंज कर दिया वैल्यूज को. I will multiply 2 here and I will multiply 5 here. When there is nothing common in it, so we will simply interchange the values to get it after multiplying. Now class, as you remember, if we will multiply the number in denominator, we will also multiply the number which is same in numerator as well, because it is the rule of equivalent fraction. हम लोगों ने ये पढ़ा था ना कि जब हम किसी नंबर को डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, सो सेम नंबर न्यूमरेटर में भी मल्टीप्लाई होता है. ठीक है. नाउ द सेम क्राइटेरिया वी विल डू इन नेक्स्ट फ्रैक्शन विच इज 9/2. Here we will multiply by 5 in denominator, so we will multiply by 5 in numerator as well. Now class, as you know, 5 2 times is 10. 5 2 times is 10. Now we will do 26 2 times. So 26 2 times अब हम कर लेते हैं. 2 6 times 12. 2 digit number. So I will write 2 which is at right side here and 1 as a head. Now 2 times 4 and 1 add करेंगे, so I have 52 in total. Like this I will write here. Now class, who will tell me what is the number after multiplying 9 into 5? Who will tell me? Yes, Usman Babu, you tell me. Very good. 45. Now class, if you look, we have denominator same. We will write only one time, which I have done. Okay. And simply minus or subtract the numerators, which is 52 minus 45. We will subtract here 52 minus 45. 2 minus 5. Is it possible? No. I will take carry to the next number, which is 5, and this number will become 2 digit, which is 12. Now class, I will subtract 12 from 5, and after subtracting I have 7 in the end. Fine. And यहाँ पे क्या था? 4. 4 is left, so 4 minus 4 is 0. So 7 by 10. 7 by 10. This is your answer. Clear है class सबको? 7 by 10. Now this is all which is related to your previous lesson. Now I am going to solve. Class multiplication involving fractions. Okay, so today we have a topic which is multiplication involving fractions. Multiplication involving फ्रैक्शंस. ठीक है. हम लोगों ने एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ फ्रैक्शंस में क्या किया था? सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं? We will make denominator same, then we will add or subtract according to the condition after making denominator same. But in multiplication and division the method is so simple. ठीक है, हमारे पास मेथड क्या होता है, वी विल सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई, जो भी आपके पास फ्रैक्शन है यू विल सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर विद न्यूमरेटर. आई विल राइट हियर मल्टीप्लाई numerator with numerator and multiply denominator with denominator. Okay, so these are the rules or you have to keep in your mind when you will solve class multiplication involving fractions. दो चीजें आपने याद रखनी है अपने माइंड में. फर्स्ट, you will multiply numerator with numerator. It doesn't matter what fraction you have. ठीक है, either it is mixed fraction, improper fraction or proper fraction. You just multiply or concentrate numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Have you get my point, class? Okay, now we have an example. 15 by 8, which is my first fraction. Then I have multiplication sign, and then I have next fraction which is 4 by 3. So class, here we have two fractions. The first one is 15 by 8. Okay, and the next fraction we have is 4 by 3. And if you look, there is a sign of multiplication in between. हमारे पास यहाँ पे साइन कौन सा है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन का. ठीक है, सो एज आई टोल्ड यू अ व्हाइल अगो क्लास, if there is a sign of multiplication, we didn't care about denominators. हम उसमें denominator को same नहीं बनाएंगे. We will not make denominator same because it is not necessary. ठीक है, ये कंडीशन यहाँ पर नहीं अप्लाई करनी कि पहले डिनोमिनेटर सेम होगा देन यू विल एबल टू मल्टीप्लाई. यू जस्ट multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So let's see here. You have to keep this thing in your mind when there is a sign of multiplication. जब भी हमारे पास multiplication और division involve हो जाता है तो हम simply multiply करते हैं numerator को numerator के साथ and denominator को denominator के साथ. ठीक है, in fraction especially. And if there is a sign of addition and subtraction involving fraction, so we have first step in our mind is to make denominator same. Have you clear the difference between of two class? When we have multiplication in here, we will simply multiply or divide numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. But जब हमारे पास addition और subtraction involve होते हैं, then we will simply make first denominator same. जब डिनोमिनेटर सेम ही नहीं होगा तो हम कैसे उसको सॉल्व कर सकते. ठीक है, सो यू विल मेक डिनोमिनेटर सेम फर्स्ट. नाउ क्लास, इफ यू लुक, वी हैव फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन इज 15 by 8 and the next one is 4 by 3. First of all, I will write 15 into 4 which satisfy multiplication of numerator with numerator, and in next in lower portion which denotes denominator, I will multiply 8 into 3. So let's do here 15 4 times. 4 5 times. We will always start from the right side. It doesn't matter what we have sign involving it. ठीक है, हमने बिल्कुल नहीं देखना कौन सा साइन है, प्लस है, माइनस है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन है. हम हमेशा राइट साइड से स्टार्ट करते हैं. 4 5 times 20. We have two digit number, so we will write the number which is at right side and the number which is at left side we will write as a carry to the next number which is 1. ठीक है, Now 4 1 times 4 and 4 plus 2 is 6. We have 60 in total. Now class, in next in lower portion we have 8 3 times. Who will tell me 8 3 times? कौन बताएगा मुझे क्या होता है? जी खतीजा, 8 3 times. Very good. 24. We have 24. Now class, is should we cut into a number which is common in both of them? हम cut कर सकते हैं? Yes, because if you look, we have a unit place in upper portion which denotes as the numerator is 0. And if you look in denominator, we have 4 at its unit place. So अब हमने कौन सा रूल पढ़ा था divisibility का? Who will tell me? Yes, Amna, you tell me. Very good. We have discussed class the rule of divisibility for number 2. If the unit place ended with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, we will simply cut और डिविजिबल बाय द नंबर ऑफ 2. ठीक है, अब दोनों में सेम है, दोनों की जो यूनिट प्लेस है उनके ऊपर नंबर्स आ रहे हैं सेम, जो कि यूनिट जो नंबर 2 की डिविजिबिलिटी पे कट हो सकते हैं, सेटिस्फाई कर सकते हैं. सो आई विल कट हियर ऑन नंबर 2. 2 3 टाइम्स एंड 0 एज इट इज. 2 1 टाइम्स एंड 2 2 टाइम्स. नाउ अगेन वी हैव 0 एंड 2. अगेन हम 2 पे कर सकते हैं. 2 1 टाइम्स and we will shift 1 to the next number which will become 10. 2 digit हो गया. So 2 5 times 10. We have 15 in numerator, and if you know class, we have you know class 2 6 times 12 होता है. ठीक है, so हमारा जो फ्रैक्शन है वो है 15/6. Now what would we do? अब हम क्या करेंगे? अब ये 2 पर तो नहीं कट हो सकते because its unit place ended with 5. So class, we have also discussed the rule of divisibility for number 3. We will simply add the numbers, add the digits of the number. If the number comes which is divisible by 3, we will simply cut or divide by the table of 3. अब यहाँ पे 6 आ रहा है, so should it cut on table 3? Very good. So क्या होगा? 3 5 times 15 and 3 2 times. So 5/2 is your fraction. अब आप इसको और मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में कर लो. How? By writing 5 inside the division and 2 is outside the division. Class, you have to look very carefully. This is a fraction, and जब भी हम इसको डिविजन फॉर्म में लिखते हैं, so what is the criteria? You will simply write the number which is present in numerator. जो अपर पोर्शन है वो आपका न्यूमरेटर है, जो लोअर पोर्शन है वो आपका डिनोमिनेटर है. तो जो भी न्यूमरेटर में होगा, it doesn't matter how it is larger and how it is smaller. You always put the number which is present in numerator inside the division. ठीक है, जो डिनोट किसको करता है? डिविडेंड को. And it doesn't matter how the number is smaller, you will simply write the number outside the division. Now how many times I will multiply 2 to get 5? Ji Mariam, you tell me. Very good. 2 2 times 4. I will write 2 here. 2 2 times 4. Now what is the next step? Subtraction. We will simply subtract it class. 5 minus 4. Okay, so 5 minus 4 is 1. So this is the way to write. I will shift 2 here, 1 here and 2 here. So the next fraction will become is 2 1 2. This is my answer. Okay class, now I am going to conclude it. You have to listen very carefully. When we have a topic in which multiplication involving fractions, so we will simply multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. आपने बिल्कुल भी जो है वो डिनोमिनेटर सेम बनाने नहीं बैठ जाना, ठीक है। आपको ये डिफरेंस मैंने क्लियर कर दिए। व्हेन वी हैव अ साइन ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन, सो यू विल जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड न्यूमिनेटर विद न्यूमिनेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर विद डिनोमिनेटर। ये जो क्राइटेरिया होते हैं जो हम डिनोमिनेटर को सेम बनाते हैं, इट इज़ ओनली एप्लीकेबल इन वी हैव सब्ट्रैक्शन एंड एडिशन इन्वॉल्विंग फ्रैक्शंस, ठीक है। हम तभी अप्लाई करते हैं जब हमारे पास ये दोनों साइंस इन्वॉल्व होंगे। सो दिस इज ऑल क्लास। इफ यू फाइंड एनी डिफिकल्टी रिलेटेड टू दिस यू कैन आस्क मी एंड यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन number 2 all parts in your notebook from exercise number 2D. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.